Английские диалоги в аэропорту для начинающих. Стойка регистрации.
Good morning. Passport, please.
Hello, here's my passport.
Are you going to London?
Yes, I am.
Do you have a suitcase?
Yes, one big suitcase.
Put it on the belt, please.
Is the weight okay?
Yes, it is 20 kilos.
Can I have a window seat?
Yes, seat 15A is by the window.
Thank you very much.
Here is your boarding pass.
Which gate is it?
Gate number 10.
What time is boarding?
Boarding is at 1 o'clock.
I see. Thank you.
Have a nice flight.
Goodbye.
Осмотр безопасности.
Please put your bag here.
Okay, no problem.
Take out your laptop.
My laptop is in this tray.
Take off your jacket.
Do I take off my shoes?
No, shoes are okay.
Is this water bottle okay?
No, you cannot take water.
I will throw it away.
Empty your pockets, please.
I have some coins.
Put the coins in the tray.
Now I walk through.
Yes, walk through now.
Did I beep?
No, it is fine.
Can I take my bag?
Yes, take your things.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Паспортный контроль.
Good afternoon. Passport, please.
Good afternoon. Here it is.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am a tourist.
How long are you staying?
I am staying for 10 days.
Where are you staying?
At the Plaza Hotel.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I have it here.
Look at the camera, please.
Like this?
Yes. Now right thumb here.
Is it working?
Yes, everything is correct.
Can I go now?
Welcome to the country.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your trip.
Goodbye.
Поиск выхода.
Excuse me, where is gate B5?
Gate B5 is far from here.
Is it on this floor?
No, it is downstairs.
Should I take the stairs?
You can take the elevator.
Where is the elevator?
Go straight and turn left.
Is there a shop near the gate?
Yes, there is a small shop.
How many minutes to walk?
It is about 5 minutes.
My flight is soon.
You have enough time.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
I see the sign now.
Great. Have a nice flight.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Магазин дьюти-фри.
Hello, can I help you?
I want some perfume.
This perfume is very popular.
How much is it?
It is $50.
Do you have a discount?
No, but it is tax-free.
I will take this one.
Do you want chocolate too?
Yes, 2 boxes, please.
Can I see your boarding pass?
Here is my boarding pass.
Thank you. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Please enter your PIN.
1 moment, done.
Here is your bag.
Thank you.
Have a nice trip.
Goodbye.
Посадка в самолет.
Flight to Paris is boarding.
Is this for all rows?
No, only rows 1 to 20.
My row is number 5.
You can board now.
Here is my boarding pass.
And your passport, please.
Here is my passport.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Where is the plane?
Walk down the tunnel.
Is it a big plane?
Yes, it is a Boeing.
Can I take my bag?
Yes, put it under the seat.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy the flight.
See you later.
Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
В самолете.
Hello. Welcome on board.
Hello, where is seat 12B?
It is on the left side.
Can you help with my bag?
Put it in the overhead bin.
It is very heavy.
I will help you.
Thank you. I am thirsty.
We have water and juice.
Apple juice, please.
Would you like a blanket?
Yes, it is a bit cold.
Here is your blanket.
Thank you. When is dinner?
Dinner is in 1 hour.
Is there a vegetarian menu?
Yes, we have pasta.
That is perfect.
Fasten your seatbelt, please.
Okay, I am ready.
Получение багажа.
Excuse me, where is baggage claim?
Follow the signs, madam.
Which belt is for London?
It is belt number 4.
I do not see my suitcase.
What color is it?
It is a red suitcase.
Is it big or small?
It is very big.
Look, is that your bag?
No, that is black.
Wait a few minutes.
Oh, I see it now.
Is that the red one?
Yes, that is mine.
I will help you take it.
Thank you. It is heavy.
No problem. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Бюро находок.
Hello, I lost my bag.
Where did you lose it?
Maybe in the restroom.
What does it look like?
It is a small blue bag.
Is your name on it?
Yes, there is a tag.
Is this your bag?
Yes, that is it.
What is inside?
My camera and books.
Please sign here.
Here is my signature.
Check your things, please.
Everything is here.
Be careful next time.
I will. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Заказ, такси.
Hello, are you free?
Yes, where to?
To the city center, please.
Which hotel?
The Grand Hotel on Main Street.
Put your bag in the trunk.
How much is the trip?
It is about $30.
Is there a lot of traffic?
No, it is a fast road.
How long does it take?
20 minutes.
Can I open the window?
Yes, of course.
The weather is very hot.
Yes, it is a sunny day.
We are here.
That is $30.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Спасибо за просмотр. Что думаете о таком формате изучения английского языка? Поделитесь своим мнением в комментариях.